Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibtihal and today in this lesson we're going to talk about algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions by algebraic expressions we mean is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Okay, now let's do these few examples together. 6 less than y. And here we have 6 less than y. In algebra we write a digit. This alphabet. This alphabet is unknown because we don't know it, but it's written in the statement. So when we have this expression less than, we have to switch the y and the 6th position. So that would be y subtracted by 6. Now we have x plus 4. This will be addition, since plus gives it away as addition. This will stay the same as x and 4 will stay in their positions. It will be x plus by 4. Now we have twice f. We will write 2f because they're saying double the f. So we will write 2f. X increased by 7. This is also addition because increase by is addition, is screaming addition. So they would stay in their position. X plus 7. 7 times r. Times is saying multiplication, as you know. But in algebraic expressions, we do not write the multiplication sign. Instead, we just write 7r. We're going to write them as joined. We will not add the multiplication sign, since we do not want to make it way too obvious that we're doing multiplication. In division, the next one we have 12 divided by b. This is division, as I said before. In this we will write this as 12 by b, because in division we also do not write the sign. We just write it by like 12 by b. Okay, now we have c decreased by 6. This will be c decreased by 6. Decrease by means subtraction. Okay? So these two will stay in this position. This will be c subtract by 6. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Share to spread knowledge together. Thank you.